Features of the fundamental rights. The fundamental rights are guaranteed by the Constitution are characterized by the following. Some of them are available only to the citizens, while others are available to all persons, whether citizens, foreigners, or legal persons like corporations or companies. They are not absolute but qualified. The state can impose reasonable restrictions on them. However, whether such restrictions are reasonable or not is to be decided by the courts. Thus, they strike a balance between the rights of the individual and those of the society as a whole, between the individual liberty and social control. All of them are available against the arbitrary action of the state. However, some of them are also available against the action of private individuals. Some of them are negative in character, that is, place limitations on the authority of the state, while others are positive in nature, conferring certain privileges on the persons. They are justiciable, allowing persons to move the courts for their enforcement if and when they are violated. They are defended and guaranteed by the Supreme Court. Hence, the aggrieved person can directly go to the Supreme Court, not necessarily by the way of appeal against the judgment of the high courts. They are not sacrosanct or permanent. The Parliament can curtail or repeal them, but only by Constitutional Amendment Act and not by an ordinary act. Moreover, this can be done without affecting the basic structure of the Constitution. They can be suspended during the operation of national emergency, except the rights guaranteed by the Article 20 and 21. Article 20 is protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21 protection of life and personal liberty. Further, the six rights guaranteed by the Article 19 can be suspended only when emergency is declared on the grounds of war or external aggression, that is external emergency, and not on the ground of armed rebellion, that is internal emergency. Six rights are freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession. The scope of operation of fundamental right is limited by the Article 31A, which is saving of laws providing for acquisition of estates, etc. Article 31B, which is validation of certain acts and regulations included in 9th schedule, and Article 31C, which is saving of laws giving effect to certain directive principles. Their application to the members of armed forces, paramilitary forces, police forces, intelligence agencies, and analogous services can be restricted or abrogated by the Parliament. This is Article 33. Their application can be restricted while martial law is in force in any area. Martial law means military rule imposed under abnormal circumstances to restore order. It is different from the imposition of national emergency. This is Article 34. Most of them are directly enforceable, that is self-executory, while a few of them can be enforced on the basis of a law made for giving effect to them. Such a law can be made only by the Parliament and not by the state legislatures, so that uniformity throughout the country is maintained. That is Article 35.